Hi, Kritika this side from Butternut AI, and in this video, I will show you how you can edit the header on your website built on Butternut AI. Just a quick recap, Butternut AI, you can build your website in 20 seconds with just prompts, and this is one cafe website I've just built. So let me show you now. I want to add more things on my header, and I think I'd like a different style, so it is very easy to edit. Just click on the edit icon on the header, and here you will have this navbar layout. Just click on regenerate. So you can keep on clicking on regenerate and you will see the header will keep on changing the background and you can stick to what you like. So this, I'm trying new stuff. Okay, I think I'll stick with this. And do you want the navbar to be sticky or not sticky? You can choose from here. If you want to change the title of the store, of your website, you can change it here. And if you want to upload your logo, you see the logo here, see this logo, and you can change the size. You can increase or decrease the size using this plus and minus icon. And if you want to change the icon that is shown on the tab, then you can upload a favicon icon or similar image as your logo. And once you click Save Changes, this header will appear. So if you want to showcase a different social media on your header, again, go to Edit and click on Social Links. And here you can choose which ones would you like to show and which ones would you like to hide. And you just need to add the link to your social media page, be it Facebook, Instagram, or anything. And is that easy to change anything on the header? Then when it comes to pages, you can pick which pages to show and which pages to hide. If you want to add more pages, you can pick pages from the website or you can add a page with external link and just click on Save Changes. If you want to add this hierarchy, again, go to this Edit, go to Pages, and you just need to drag and drop. And that's how, if I want to bring About Us under testimonials, see, this is how it is done. So it's as easy to change the header with just a few clicks.